Welcome to Mama's Kitchen. Today we're going to make macaroni and cheese and green beans with bacon. I got a large pan here that I filled up 3/4 with water, and I'm going to put 2 tablespoons salt in it and let it get to a rolling boil before I put macaroni in. Okay, I'm going to put a cup and a half of noodles, large elbow of macaroni. Then let it boil for a minute and then stir it to get where it isn't stuck. And then we're going to cook it for 12 minutes. Okay, I just stirred them because they're going to stick for a minute. I just stirred them now and then let it go back to a rolling boil, and it'll be about 12 minutes. And I usually check them one time to see if they're right. Okay, it's been 12 minutes. I'm going to drain it. And I'm going to drain it until I get every drop of water out. I'm going to put 1/3 of a cup of milk, 4 teaspoons of butter, or tablespoons of butter. And I'm going to put 7 pieces of deluxe, or of Kraft's Deluxe American cheese. And turn the fire on real low. Yeah, this is about as easy as the boxed mixes, but I think it's better than the boxed. Stir it. And it just takes long enough for this cheese to melt, not very long. Okay, we've about got the cheese melted. It's ready to go. If it seems like it might be a little dry to you, just put just a little bit of milk in it. This one's turned out pretty good. Ready?